Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover NASA's successful Artemis II launch rehearsal, marking a key milestone in humanity's return to the moon after 50 years. With the countdown ticking down, the mission is now one step closer to becoming a reality. NASA has successfully completed a full rehearsal of the launch of its Artemis II mission, marking an important step towards sending astronauts around the moon for the first time in more than 5 decades. The U.S. Space Agency confirmed on February 19, 2026, that the rehearsal of the Space Launch System, or SLS rocket, went as planned. The countdown stopped at T29 seconds, which is the scheduled endpoint for the test. The test was conducted under real launch conditions at Cape Canaveral, Florida. A wet dress rehearsal is a full practice launch without liftoff. Engineers load the rocket with liquid propellants, including liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, and run through all technical checks. The Artemis II rehearsal included filling the SLS rocket's tanks and carrying out the same countdown steps that will be followed on launch day. NASA said the test ended successfully at T29 seconds in the countdown. The agency is now expected to announce a confirmed launch date. A media briefing is scheduled for February 20, 2026. This successful test comes after technical issues earlier in February forced NASA to stop a previous rehearsal. During that attempt, a liquid hydrogen leak was detected. The problem led to the cancellation of the test and dashed hopes of launching the mission in February. Following repairs and additional checks, NASA carried out this new rehearsal, which proceeded without the earlier issue. Because of the previous setback, the earliest possible launch date has shifted to March 6, 2026, according to NASA's updated timeline. Artemis II will be the first crewed mission to fly past the moon in more than 50 years. The last time astronauts traveled beyond low Earth orbit was during the Apollo era in the early 1970s. The mission will carry 4 astronauts, 3 from the United States and 1 from Canada. They will travel aboard the Orion spacecraft, launched on top of the SLS rocket. Although Artemis II will not land on the moon, it is a critical step in NASA's broader Artemis program. The goal of the program is to return humans to the lunar surface and prepare for future missions to Mars. With the successful rehearsal complete, NASA will now review the data collected during the test. Engineers will analyze tank performance, fuel flow, pressure levels, and countdown operations. If everything remains within expected limits, NASA will move forward with final launch preparations. The mission is seen as a key milestone in the next phase of human space exploration. After years of development and technical challenges, the successful rehearsal suggests the mission is moving closer to launch. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.